Good morning, everybody. Just received some new molds from A&N SudsNSuch, otherwise known as Be Scented, with Jen and Eric. And I wanted to share it with you. Once I took the paper out, I saw the molds and I said, quick, record. This is wonderful, you guys. Take a look at these. Oh my. Oh, and you probably see some of my bundt cakes in the background. Don't know if you do, my silk boat cakes or not. But anyway, look at this. Excellent quality work. They are even across the top. They are so smooth to the hands. No blemishes. I couldn't be more happy with this purchase. Look at this. Oh my. Isn't that just beautiful? That's gorgeous. That's my grandbaby you hear in the background, and they're popping. Popping the bubble wrap that Jen sent with the molds. They love to do that. But this is beautiful. I mean, it is completely smooth. Completely smooth. On the bottom, he added the stoppers for me. Wow. And this is a custom order. He has them on his Etsy shop, or Jen has them on her Etsy shop for A&N SudsNSuch. And they were one size, and they were real close to what I wanted, but I asked, hey Jen, you know, can you guys add about an inch on the length and a quarter of an inch on the height, because my bars are 4 inches high. Well, actually, I think I might have added a little bit more on the height. My bars are 4 inches high, and that does not include the top when I texture it. So I wanted them a little bit higher, and she came back real quick with a response. Eric said yes, he can do it, and it was on from there. He added a couple of bucks to the cost of the mold that they had on their Etsy shop. I was surprised it was only a couple bucks more. And I tell you, for what I paid for the molds and the shipping, I saw 2 other molds that were the size that I needed without any additions. One wanted $25 on the shipping plus the cost of the mold, and the other one at $45 in shipping plus the cost of the mold. And I got 2 molds from Eric and less on the shipping for the price of one from each of the other 2 sites. Their mold itself was more, and the shipping was just crazy to me for one mold. And I got 2 molds and the shipping and paid less. And look at the quality. Not to say that the other 2 didn't have a quality product. They probably do, very well do. But I am not a complainer of a great deal and quality. Look at this. I don't know if you can hear that. That's wood. This is not pressed wood. This is wood. And this is excellent quality. And both of them are the same height, like I said, same width, same length, and just as smooth to the touch as a baby's bottom. I love this. Give me 1 second, sweetheart. I love this. I have no problem with telling the world when I get a good deal, telling the world when there's excellent quality and craftsmanship involved, and that this is worth the investment. I will be back, Eric. Love what you're doing. Thank you, Jen and Eric, for sharing your gifts with us. Highly recommend, people. Highly recommend. This is an excellent buy. And man, I can't tell you, even the inside of it just feels love. Thank you so much. All right, you guys have a great day. Just thought I'd share this real quick with you, let you know where you can go and get a quality product at a reasonable price. I'm not getting any kickbacks from A&N Suds or Be Scented. I don't get down like that. But when you do good things, I ain't got no problem with telling the world you do good things. All right. Have a great day, you guys. Love ya.
Bye.
Where ya? Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.